The 2025 Glow Recipe 12 Days of Glow Advent Calendar is coming soon, and I have the full spoilers. So the calendar is $110 and includes 12 days of Glow Recipes bestsellers worth $200. So what the calendar will include is an avocado ceramide moisture barrier cleanser, 20 millimeter, watermelon glow, ultrafine mist, watermelon glow niacinamide dewy flush, 1.5 millimeter, watermelon glow niacinamide dew drops, watermelon glow niacinamide hue drops, and sun glow, watermelon glow PHA plus BHA pore tight toner, 25 millimeters, a watermelon glow AHA night treatment, cloudberry bright essence toner, cloudberry bright moisture cream, plump hyaluronic cream, prickly pear and peptide mucin serum 5 millimeters, a glass lip balm, and blackberry mungus 15 grams. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.